Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're going to take you out to Fruit Cove in St. John's, Florida for the PDQ cruise in for December. We went out and checked this car show out. We've never been out to it before. This is going to be the car show cam. I don't know that there's going to be much on it because we didn't get to park in the show. We just kind of parked off to the side. So we were just checking this show out because we had heard good things about it. But unfortunately, really unfortunately, this is the last one they're going to have for a little while because of change in ownership of the property and some other stuff. And we're just not going to get into it right now. But it may have been a good bit bigger because of that fact, because it's the last one for the foreseeable future. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If if you don't want to watch the dash cam, just move on. There's going to be other videos. There's going to be, the walkabout cam, the scooter vision, the lid cam, that are more in-depth videos. This is just kind of, we drove in, we don't know what we caught in between, and we drove out. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it, don't forget to drop us a like, comment, subscribe, share it around. Make sure you're subscribed, because sometimes people like to, the YouTube likes to unsubscribe people while we're not looking. So, make sure you're subscribed. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to shut up now, and we're going to take you right out to the cars. So let's rev it up to the car show.
I'm not sure where you're going to park.
I'm going over that way.
I thought it said that place was closed.
I thought it was. We can park there. That was weird. There was a sign in the drive that said it was closed. It is closed.
Okay.
So we'll go back around and get that handicap spot up front.
Alright. I park right here. I don't care.
Take that one.
Alright. Now they do have a placard. It's just covered up with all the other shit on their wind mirror.
Yeah, I couldn't see it at first.
Yeah.
I'm only running a little bit behind now.
Now how far is it from here? Because you could just park here.
It's right there at the crook where it bends out. In fact, you'll be able to see it right about now. See that tan top?
Not the truck, but the yellow thing?
The yellow, well, yeah, the
yellow.
yellow. Yeah, the tan yellow thing.
Alright, we just wait on people to walk away.
see it.
Yeah. One parking, I guess.
Or try and turn around.
Not sure what.
Well, them reverse lights didn't come on. So I guess park it.
Yeah. Can you even get down that one?
Yeah, one way.
Can we just go around this building?
I'm thinking so, yeah.
Yeah, let's just go around. Yeah, you can go all the way around.
Yeah, I'll just pull up at where the break is between the bank and the.
Yeah.
Or maybe I can go all the way to the front. If I can go all the way to the front.
I think you can.
Nope. There ain't no break there.
Yeah.
So I gotta come up here.
Well, where are they at?
They're at the front end of the bank over there.
Oh. Kid didn't even look.
It's a nice white Bronco there.
Uh-huh. It is a nice one.
Oh no, that's not a Bronco. That was an International. Right there at the front.
Oh.
The red one and the black one.
Yeah. We'll go around the bank.
Right through there, you think?
Mm-hmm. You can go all the way around the bank. That's why they got a drive-through. We can just come back out the drive-through if we have to.
Well, no, we'll just go across the front and go out at the front where we came in at.
All right. I don't think there's a light there. There's a light there.
We'll cut across the gas station, whatever there.
Yeah.
I mean, just
pull up behind that red car.
That's what I was thinking to say.
Now, you want the fire truck and
the black car.
Okay.
I don't know about the green one. I don't know if it's cool or not. But everybody just wants to stand there and yak.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Alright. I'm out of tea.
Well, you can pour some out of mine.
I think I've had enough. I gotta pee. And it'll wait.
Well, there's a gas station right over here, I think.
I might go in there. You can go back out. Well, no, there is no out on this side.
I'll have to go back around the building,
Yeah.
which is what I had planned.
No, honey, there ain't no out over. Oh, yes, there is. Okay.
Oh, it's a Walgreens, not a gas station. I thought it was a gas station.
We'll go back there. Let's go through there. Go through there.
That way or that way?
It don't matter.
I'm going that way. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the PDQ monthly cruise in for December at the PDQ in Mandarin. We don't know how long it's going to be before we have another one from this event. We would like to make it a more regular event. Just kind of time and availability is going to be a factor. because it is a bit of a drive to get out there. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to make sure you like, comment, share the video around. Make sure you're subscribed, because we've been having people get unsubscribed without their knowledge. Anyway, just double check that for me, guys. We're at 321 subscribers. We're trying to get to that magic 500 number to get them YouTube dollars coming in. So any help on that would be great. I appreciate all my subscribers. You guys are making it happen. You guys are great. Really supportive. So we're going to try to keep, doing on the channel. Once we get them YouTube ad dollars coming in, we can start paying for a tank of gas every once in a while to go a little bit further out of field. Because there's great shows that are happening further out. But it's like, I kind of have to sacrifice my base shows, my locals, to go out to these further out shows. And it just, you kind of have to go, well, do I really want to? Oh, that tank of gas is going to be expensive. That sort of thing. But anyway, any help on that would be great from you guys. We really appreciate you. Everything you guys do for the channel. So that's going to wrap up this video. Probably going to wrap up the year with this video anyway. So that's going to be it. We'll see you guys out at the car show, whatever the next car show is. We're currently waiting on January for the January shows to begin. So we'll see you guys in January.